Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I'm going to unbag or unbox two cases I received for my Google Pixel 7 Pro. You know, I usually cater to the more feminine side of the market because they don't usually put out too much for us. So that's what I did with these. Links will be in the description for the phone, the case, and if you have interest in the matte screen protector that I install on all of my phones. First up, we have the Ezavan. Yeah, I'm just going to spell it out for you because I'm not going to attempt to say it. This is more or less a clear case, but depending on how the light hits it, it gives you different rainbow looking colors. After removing this from the packaging, we have a protective cover over the case so it didn't get scratched before it arrived to us. Foam on the inside. And the thing I liked most about this case when I was looking at it online was the fact that it covers the camera bump, but it looks like it doesn't mess with the camera itself, right? You want to be able to still take your pictures and still have protection. Snaps right on. I think that's very pretty on this snow white Pixel 7 Pro. A nice lip of protection on the front in case you want to lay your phone flat and not worry about it being directly on the table. I told you have a lip around the camera in the back. Oh, nice little sunshine there. Makes the glitter come out all the more. We have buttons on the side that are very clicky. Don't have my brightness up, but the screen is coming on. We have a hole in the top for our mic there, and definitely have holes in the bottom for speakers and charging port. Nothing along the side because we have no buttons. But see how pretty that is in the sun? I just thought it'd be a nice touch to the snow white. It's silver. It brings out the silver highlights of this phone. And that's my first case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Let's move on to the next one. Stop it, Crow. Yeah. Oh, haters. Next up, I don't even see a name on this case. So yeah, we'll just call it the black case for now. Again, links will be in the description. I picked this up to still kind of have a girly touch to it, but at the same time, I wanted to be able to give you a case that covered the phone and gave it a black look. Because I'm not going to wear white all the time. I coordinate my cases with my clothes. Some butterflies. Inside is black, no fancy smancy here. It's just like a TPU. It's not as thick as the one I just had, so I'm not expecting as much protection. I'm gonna slide that on in. You see just barely a little ring of silver in there from our camera bezel. I don't know how well these butterflies are gonna stay. We have buttons on the side. We're a different company, so we have to see. It's pulled up my screen protector over here a little bit too. I think the other one did that too much. Cutouts at the bottom for speaker, charging port, and our mic. Of course, nothing on the side, but neither one of these cases ran me a lot of money. I think I got them through the Black Friday that they had October 11th and 12th on Amazon. I'll put up prices and links for both products. Oh, this is not going to be the best of friends for me. The other case did none of this. Ew. I have already initiated return for this case here because I'm not going to live that life where I'm trying to put my screen protector down every time I put my phone in the case. This one's going back, and we're going to keep this one for now. And I have some more little goodies coming for this phone. So this won't be the only case I have in it. Might be the most feminine one I have, but I have some other cases coming and some other goodies coming. I'd like to thank you for dropping by the channel, checking out my first cases for my Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Links for these products will be in the description. And if you like this video, you might want to drop a like. If you found this video helpful, and many videos on my channel helpful, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. Click on the join button to see what those privileges are. There's no obligation there. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on a future video on this channel.